Hi, I am here at Lindy Chapman's Brokers Open. So we already met with some great agents from around the area in Southlake, Texas. So Lindy, tell us more about this incredible listing.
So I love this home. I've spent a lot of time here at parties and different events, and it is a beautiful home in Southlake, which was my home prior to moving to the Dallas area. But Southlake is a great place, and this home in particular is wonderful because it is within a mile of the elementary school, the middle schools. It has a great open floor plan. They've done a ton of renovations and updates, more than 200,000 since they purchased it, and it's just a well-loved home. It has a beautiful outdoor pool area. It really has everything you need to especially if you're transitioning to Texas or maybe you're just ready for that forever home. This one's got everything you need.
It's perfect. And, I'm so excited because I was able to take a quick tour, but Mackenzie on your team, she is actually going to show off a couple highlights of the home.
Yeah, and
So,
Mackenzie's our person behind the camera, Mackenzie Parks. I'm very glad to have her working with me on my team, and yeah.
perfect. Well, let's go inside.